Welcome, my lovely people. Welcome to my live stream. Um, Today we are going to learn Igbo together. We're going to learn Igbo together. My lovely ones, share the video. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Let our children out there that want to learn how to speak Igbo join this live stream. Please share the video. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Share the video. We are here live trying to learn Igbo together. We are trying to learn our mother's tongue together. Please do well by sharing the video. Share the video. Let's learn our mother's tongue together. This is I still remain your classic Zizara TV, and I promise to be here live every Saturdays and Sundays, so that we can learn Igbo together. So today we are going to learn just the alphabets in Igbo. Only the alphabets. Only the alphabet today. Maybe by tomorrow, then we are going to mention some words out of the alphabet. So without wasting much of a time, we're gonna kick it off while others join. So today we're starting with the alphabet, the Igbo alphabet. The Igbo alphabet. So, and what are the alphabets? So we start with A. I'll make it a bit bigger so that you'll be able to see it well. So, this is A. A. As it is called in English, A, but in Igbo it is called A. 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 Repeat after me. A. A. B. 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 Ch. 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 De. 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 E. 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 Fe. 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 Ge. 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 Where. 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 Bwe, 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 he, 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 gbu, gwe, 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 ha, 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 e, 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 and there is another one that is called e, but under it, under here, you will see a full stop under here, and it is pronounced as e. This is e. But the other one that will have a full stop under is pronounced as e here, under here, under here. And it is called that. I am using German laptop. That is why I couldn't get the A sound. But next time before I start, I will be able to change the keyboard to Igbo keyboard. So if I change it to Igbo keyboard, I'll be able to get the A sound. Then you will understand what I'm saying. But right now, this is in German keyboard. And that is why we won't be able to get the A sound. But I want to show you how the A sound is. A sound is just like this. I'm going to show you how the A sound is. The A sound is something like this. I'll show you. A. This is A. A. It's just like E, but under it, you will not see full stop under it. A. A. And this is E. 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 A. 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 Then we'll move on to the next alphabet, which is J, 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 K, 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 B, 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 B. In Igbo, we have a lot of alphabet that have two. A lot of alphabet that are two. two brought together. So after this lecture, I'll be able to write out those ones that are double. Then when we'll be calling their works, you'll be able to appreciate it better. So this is pe, 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 le, 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 me, 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 ne, 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 ne. Then there is also another one after this ne. You see nye, nye, which is this. Nye. It is n with a kind of dash on top of the n, and it is pronounced in this way. Nye, 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 ne, ne, nye, nye, nye. Then we have we, 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 nye, 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 nye. Then we have o, 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 o. And after this o, we have o. O, you can see o has something under. O, 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 o. Then we have p, 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 re, 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 si, 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 she, 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 chi, ti, 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 u, 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 o. You can say this. O, u, o, u. Then we'll have V, 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 we, 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 nye, 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 z, 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 z. Okay, this is to Z. So we can repeat it once more. After repeating it, by tomorrow, we are going to make a word out of this alphabet. I don't want to take it too, I don't want it to be bothersome. I will take them bit by bit. Today we are going to learn all the alphabets. After learning all the alphabets, just like we've done now, but I'm going to repeat them once more. Then after which, by tomorrow, we are going to, bring out words, at least 1 or 2 or 3 words out of each alphabet, so that you will be able to know and appreciate them very well. In Igbo language, we have a lot of combined alphabets. We have a lot of them. We have a lot of combined alphabets. And then you will also learn how to pronounce a word out of those alphabets. So right now we are going to repeat them again. When we repeat them, then I will bring out the words that are combined. I will write out the words that are combined in Igbo language, the one that have 2 alphabets together. So now we are going to refresh it. This is A, 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 B, 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 Ch, 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 D, 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 E, 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 F, 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 G, 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 B, Bwe, 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 he, 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 gwe, 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 ha, 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 i, 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 e, 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 I, e, e, J, 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 K, 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 Kwe, 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 Pe, 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 Kwe, 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 Le, 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 Me, 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 Ne, Ne, Nye, 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 Ne, Nye, Nye, Nwe, 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 Nye, 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 O, 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 P, 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 Re, 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 C, 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 she, 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 T, 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 U, 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 O, 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 V, 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 we, 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 ye, 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 z, 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 z. Okay, so we've done well in learning the alphabet. So do good by going back to the video so that you will be able to learn them. Before you learn them, get your own paper and pen. As I am calling, you will be writing them down. After everything, you now go back, use the ones you've written down, then to pronounce them. If you do this once or twice or 3 times, you will be able to master them. So that by tomorrow, as we are calling out the words out from the alphabet, it will be very much easier for you. So now, I am going to write out the words that are combined. The alphabet that has 2 alphabets together. Number 1 alphabet is the ch sound. The ch sound. Ch, 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 we, 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 e, 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 gui, 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 e, be, 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 we, 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 nye, 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 sh, sh, she, 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 she. So these are the alphabet that are combined. As you can see, the first one, C and H, is combined together to make che sound. This is the C and H combined together. So in Igbo language, there is no alphabet as say. We don't have say. Instead, we have che sound. Che sound. As in chere, chere, cheta, che sound. Che sound. Che sound. Then you see this one is G and B combined together to make B sound. B sound. B, G and B. B, B, Ba, bata, ba, bata. Then this is A sound. A sound. G and ha combine together to make A sound. A sound. Ara. A sound. Ara. Yeah. Then this is we sound. We, wo, egwu, 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 we sound. Then this is P sound. P, 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 P sound. And this is Kwe sound. Kwe sound. Kwenye, kwenye, kwenye. Kwara, kwara akwa, kwenye. Then this is Nwe sound. Nwa, nwa mwe. Then this is Nye sound. Nyere, nyem, nye sound. And this is She sound. She, she, she sound. Remember, this is che, and this is she, che, and she. So, in Igbo language, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 alphabets that are double. 9 alphabets that are double. So, today we have been able to get all the alphabets in Igbo from A to Z, from A to Z. And we've been able to get the doubled alphabets, those alphabets that are doubled, and their sounds. So, after this video, do well by going back to the video to review and watch it again, so that by tomorrow it will be easier for you to follow up. So tomorrow we are going to be live almost same time. Then I will give a notification when we're going to start tomorrow's lecture. So by tomorrow we are going to bring out words. You can also join me by commenting in your comment section, so that I will know that you are following up. So tomorrow we are going to bring out words from each alphabet. At least we can give like 2 or 3 words from each alphabet, so that you'll be able to know how to pronounce them better. So then by next week, we'll now move to the numbers. Otu, above. Learn that one next weekend, because I promise to be live here every weekend on Igbo Amaka. So we're going to learn Igbo together, so that our sons and daughters out there that wish to know their mother's tongue, their mother's language, will be able to follow up and learn them better. So, and our wives, for those of us that are married, those that are not from Igbo, they will also do well by joining, so that they'll be able to learn their husband's language. So today we are going to call it a day, and do well by commenting in the comment section. If there's anything that you also want me to teach in Igbo, do well by writing in the comment section, so that I will be able to give them all to you. So today we'll call it a day. Please watch the video again and share the video, so that those that doesn't know that we've started our Igbo language learning in at Classic Zizara TV will also do well by joining every weekend. Every Saturday and Sunday, we are here live on Igbo Amaka. So thank you for staying tuned, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.